Meet Kendra. She's the head of inventory management at a large retail organization. She's got a challenge to solve. Okay, maybe it's more than one challenge. She needs to expand her ERP's core functions, remain agile in volatile conditions, convert stores into fulfillment centers, and manage sales and promotions pricing. GLOVIA OM offers a solution that seems to fit the bill. Let's take a closer look on how GLOVIA OM can help a retail organization like Kendra's solve those challenges. Kendra needs the flexibility to go beyond her current ERP's core functionality. GLOVIA OM is a fully configurable commerce solution for retail that's built on Salesforce. GLOVIA OM's modular design means Kendra can enable intelligent order routing with multiple fulfillment choices on demand as her business needs change. Kendra also needs to make sure her company remains agile in volatile conditions. GLOVIA OM functions as a seamless orchestration hub to optimize inventory, pricing, and order fulfillment across all demand channels. That means Kendra's team will have a singular view of retail operations that leverages the power of Salesforce for advanced analytics and automation. When it comes to converting retail stores into fulfillment centers, GLOVIA OM is the perfect fit. With GLOVIA OM, Kendra's team can extend their retail services and remain competitive without having to retrain their existing workforce or buy additional software. Retail workers can perform simplified warehouse-type functions, such as pick, pack, and ship with GLOVIA OM's user-friendly mobile app. Kendra also needs to manage sales and promotions pricing. With GLOVIA OM, she can integrate coupons, loyalty rewards, and more into standard approval workflows and processes without affecting her core pricing model. She can easily tailor programs to different product combinations in geographical areas. And her Salesforce admins can manage the changes themselves without the assistance of an IT team. Kendra is convinced that GLOVIA OM is the right fit to help her company reach its strategic goals faster. Smart, Kendra. Very smart. Check out Fujitsu's GLOVIA OM on AppExchange to learn more.